Alright, here we go. McJuggerNuggets again.
In front of my friends. You're the one coming up in my face, wagging your finger, trying to show off in front of my friends. Dad, shut your fucking kidding me! Dad! Look, you wouldn't disrespect me. You probably just ruined my computer screen. Just shut up. Shit. Dad, look. You see what you're doing in front of all my friends. You know, they already think you're crazy because they've seen all the videos.
You guys think I'm crazy?
Tell them. Mark, go on, tell him that you think he's crazy.
Seriously, do you think I'm crazy?
Come on, guys! Holy shit! Are you fucking kidding me? Not only was that my stuff, but that was theirs too! Well, you come on, Dan! You go on and fucking do that! Come on! You can't do it! Listen, I can do anything I want. My house! You can do anything you want. We can't come up your shit! Fuck! There, take that! In there, Ryan! That was pay for it! And I'm gonna pay for the stinking camera! I'm gonna pay for it! We don't need this out! We don't need this in public anywhere! Knock it off! Yeah, no shit! Now you finally realize that that's all his fault! I mean...
Although I'm seeing smoke just coming out of the Midrange. Ooh, I'm hungry. Anyways, I'll do another video tomorrow, if anything. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.